Picture this. You wake up on a quiet Sunday, make coffee, and open your investing app without much thought. The main balance looks ordinary. The smaller line below it, the one labelled earnings, is easy to ignore. Today it looks different. It is not huge, but it is larger than you remember. You blink, sip, and stare. You ask yourself a simple question. When does this number stop crawling and start running? When does it go from spare change to real momentum? That moment has a feeling you will never forget. It is the moment your compounding really starts to take off, and from now on, it's starting to skyrocket day after day. Today I will show you the exact figure where this happens. But most importantly, at the end of this video, I will give you a step-by-step strategy to reach that figure. Impossible to get wrong. So let's start with a real-life story to make it clear. A friend of mine is not rich, not connected, and not lucky. He is a normal paycheck person who kept one promise. Every month he bought a small amount of a broad market index and then left it alone. He did it when the news was bright. He did it when the news was scary. Years went by. One spring he opened his app and saw that the growth over the last 12 months was larger than all the money he had added that year. His portfolio had outworked him. His dollars had hired more dollars. He called me laughing because the machine was finally louder than his own effort. Why does that switch happen? Because compounding is a team sport. Each dollar you invest is a tiny worker, and that worker earns a little profit. Then both the dollar and the profit keep working. New returns stack on old returns. It is like rolling a snowball. At first you see almost nothing. Then the ball gets big enough to pick up more snow without much push. Soon the slope and the size do most of the work. Your job is simple. Keep the ball on the hill, keep your hands calm, give it time, and above all, join my free Telegram community with the link in the description so as to have much more money to invest and therefore make the compounding work sooner. In fact, I will explain how to start a successful business with YouTube, but I will tell you more about it later. So when exactly does liftoff show up? Let us make it clear with simple marks. First mark. Your yearly gains beat your yearly contributions. If you add 6,000 in a year and your portfolio grows by more than 6,000 on its own, the curve has tilted in your favour. Second mark. Your balance crosses six figures. At 100,000, even a mild 6% year creates about 6,000 of growth, and that new money earns again next year. Third mark. Your portfolio begins to pay real bills. When dividends and growth cover your phone bill, your rent, or a vacation, the engine is no longer theory. Fourth mark. In a good month, your gains can outpace a full week of your pay. That is the moment many people whisper to themselves, "It is working." Think about three ordinary people. Call them Alex, Veronica, and Ethan. Each invests $500 a month. Each reinvests everything. Each has a long view. Alex earns 6% a year on average. Veronica earns 8%. Ethan earns 10%. No tricks or secret picks, just steady deposits, time, and patience. For Alex at 6%, the first big signal appears when the account is a little over 100,000. At that level, a normal year makes about 6,000, which matches the annual deposits. The next year is a little more because the 6,000 is now working too. The year after that is more again. The slope steepens and the feeling of liftoff becomes obvious. Veronica at 8% reaches liftoff sooner. When the account is around 80 to 90,000, the yearly growth is in the 6 to 7,000 range, which meets or beats the yearly deposit. Ethan at 10% feels the change even earlier. A balance near 60 to 70,000 can throw off 6,000 in a normal year, which means the market is doing more of the lifting than the person. Maybe 500 a month is not your number yet. That is fine. The rule does not change. Liftoff happens when gains beat contributions. If you add 200 a month, that is 2,400 a year. When your account adds more than that by itself, you cross the line. A balance near 40,000 growing around 6% makes that happen. If you add 1,000 a month, the target is higher, but you get there faster because the snowball grows quicker. When your account is near 200,000 at 6%, it can throw off around 12,000 in a year, which is equal to your 12,000 of deposits. The same idea works at different speeds. The point is simple. Pick a deposit you can sustain and watch for the crossover. There is another moment that many people miss. It is the day you look at a dip in the market and feel calm instead of fear. In the early years, a red day feels like a punch because your deposits are small and your balance is tiny. Later, a red day feels like a sale. You start hoping for lower prices because you know your automatic deposit will buy more shares. That shift in your head is not magic. It is the result of owning enough that growth and dividends have become real to you. The machine is humming. You can hear it even when the headlines are loud. To stay focused, write 5 sentences on a sticky note and put it where you can see it, especially the 5th one. 1. Compounding takes off when gains beat contributions. 2. Compounding takes off when a 6-figure base meets steady returns. 3. Compounding takes off when growth begins to cover real bills. 4. Compounding takes off when a good month in markets can outpace a work week of pay. 5. Compounding really takes off when I feed it with more money. And to have more money, I can start a successful business with YouTube, thanks to the free Telegram community with the link in the description, without even showing my face. Keep those in view and you will not quit in year 3, which is when many people stop just before the bend in the curve. Now we have to talk about the enemy of all this, which is not the market. The enemy is interruption. Interruptions are poison to compounding. Cashing out to buy a toy. Pausing deposits for a season because headlines are scary. Trying to jump in and out to catch perfect timing. Staring at your account 10 times a day and letting fear or greed press the buttons. Each interruption cuts the snowball in half. Your job is to become a little boring in the best possible way. You buy each month. You leave it alone. You reinvest everything. You breathe. You live your life. Let me sum up this whole thing in a single picture. Imagine your portfolio as a small factory at the edge of town. In the beginning, you have one machine, and it squeaks. It makes a few parts a day. Each part you sell lets you buy another tiny machine. Months go by, and now 2 machines are working, then 4, then 8. One day you stand on a balcony and realize the place hums whether you are there or not. That hum is the sound of compounding after liftoff. Your part is to keep the lights on and resist the urge to shut down the power when clouds roll in. People ask for shortcuts. The closest thing to a shortcut is stamina and simplicity. If you double your deposit, you roughly halve the time it takes to hit your marks. If you raise your income and keep your lifestyle flat, you can skip years of waiting. Focus on 1 or 2 ways to earn more. Teach a skill. Deliver food on weekends. Fix a neighbour's laptop. Clean yards on Saturdays. Ask for a raise and bring proof you deserve it. Join my free Telegram community. Take that extra money and feed the machine. Avoid complicated schemes. Avoid shiny distractions. Simple and steady wins this race. You may wonder what happens during a market drop. Drops are normal. Your factory does not vanish when orders slow. Your field does not disappear when rain pauses. Prices fall and yields rise, which means your automatic buy scoops up more shares for the same dollars. That is how long-term investors turn storms into fuel. When sunshine returns, your larger pile of workers pulls harder than before. Celebrate small signals as you move. The first month, your dividends cover your phone bill. The first quarter, your growth pays for groceries. The first year, your returns top what you added with your job. Write those down, tell a friend, smile at the progress, then keep going. Your path will not be straight, it will be jagged. That is normal. The line that matters is the one moving up over the years, not the little squiggles inside a single week. Now let's build a step-by-step plan. You can start today, as I promised, and wait to hear the 6th step, which will literally cut in half the time. Step 1. Set an automatic transfer for the same day your paycheck lands. Money you do not see is money you do not spend. Step 2. Use a low-cost fund that owns many companies and reinvest every bit of income it produces. Step 3. Each quarter raises your deposit by a small percent, even if it is tiny. A little bump compounds like everything else. Step 4. Pick one new skill and sell it for extra cash. Send every dollar from that skill to your investments. Step 5. Decide in advance what you will do during a market drop and write it down. Before the 6th step, I want you to picture a calm future day. You are on a walk. The sky is clear. Your phone buzzes and shows a monthly statement. It says your investments added 900 this month. You smile because last year that number was 400. You smile because you did not chase anything. You just followed a simple plan. You cooked more at home. You learned a useful skill. You increased your automatic deposit. You let time do the heavy lifting. That is how liftoff looks from the inside. Quiet, steady, powerful. Well, all this is possible with the 6th step, which is to join my free Telegram community as soon as possible because the slots are very limited. Here I'll explain step by step how to start a successful YouTube business without putting your face on the line. I'll give you my strategies on how I make all my channels explode, and to prove to you that it really works, just look at this channel, which is the most obvious proof. If you found value in this video, smash the subscribe button. Hit also like and let me know if you already knew about this, and I'll see you soon in the Telegram community. I'll wait for you. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.